Happy Friday, guys. Okay, just a quick update on the rad support for the truck. Okay, so I got it out. As you can see, yeah, it was a pain in the ass. Battery had to come out. Reservoir had to come out for the overflow and the windshield washer. And funny enough, this is the side he was worried about. And he didn't mention this, and this side is the side that's just brutal. So I got WD soaking that baby right now because, yeah, if I can't get it off, I'm going to have to get new mounts. I'm going to have to cut that off with a jigsaw. So here's the old one. Okay, so this is the one he was complaining about. He said it wouldn't pass, right? And he didn't even mention that one unless he confused it and showed me the wrong side. But anywho, doesn't matter. It's got to get done, so now I just got to order it in and I'll make a video again when I put it back in. Hope everyone's having a great night.